Hi, today I wanted to have a look at this one, the Nextool Mini Sailor Lite, and just to compare it to some of the other small pliers based kind of keychain tools. And I bought this one because a tiny set of pliers can come in really useful for me at work sometimes. A little set of pliers like this, or the ones on here, have saved a day for me at work undoing really small little fastenings on a number of occasions. So it can be really handy for me to have a little set of pliers with me. So I wanted the smallest possible, really, set of pliers because I don't need to use them every day. And I certainly don't want to be carrying around in my pocket for those occasional uses, something like a pair of Knipex or a Leatherman big multi-tool or whatever. I did already own this, the original Nextool Sailor, but I just wanted the smallest, lightest option available really to have with me. It is a bit slimmer than the original Sailor and a bit lighter. Original Sailor weighs, let's call it 84 grams, or let's call it 3 ounces. Sailor Lite weighs 68 grams or 2.4 ounces. And you do only get a few tools in this. The little pliers, they're quite nicely made, not bad at all. There's not a lot of play in the end of them there. They meet up nicely at the ends. There's some wire cutters there as well. Small but capable, and you can apply a decent amount of pressure on those and they won't just break. I did buy a couple of Gerber dimes years ago, both of them, just the first time I took it out of their packaging and applied any real force, they broke. The back springs on both of them bent and popped out. But yeah, you can apply good force on these, as you were always able to do with the Leatherman equivalents as well. So yeah, these give you more grip and torque than your fingers can provide, and can come in useful for smaller tasks, and they're decent. They're all right, those pliers. That's what I wanted them for really, and they're perfectly fine. And again, it's a much more limited tool set than on the normal Nextool Sailor. On the Sailor Lite, you get a little sort of, I don't know, what do you call that, a 2.5D a 2.5D Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver is dead useful as far as I'm concerned. And the other side of that, you get a little bottle opener and a sort of pry tool with a slotted screwdriver end on the end there, and both of those work okay. On the other side, you get the scissors. These are okay. You can use them to cut your nails and things. They're nowhere near as good as the Victorinox small scissors, but then no scissors are. But yeah, they're fine. They work okay. What we got there, you can cut whatever you need to cut with them. That's no problem. Handy pair of scissors, and there's no blade on this tool, but if you did need to open packaging and stuff, you can sort of fold the scissor arm out of the way and use that as a really tiny blade for opening packaging and things like that. That's fine, and that's all you get. So yeah, quite a small tool set really. Oh, there's a little glow in the dark insert in there as well for what it's worth. Looks quite cool at night, but yeah, doesn't really add much functionality. On the original Nextool Sailor, you get all that plus this interesting combo tool which gets a bottle opener, also a can opener. Highly unusual to find a can opener on a tool this small. Nice bonus. Same scissors, same sort of pliers, little Phillips driver. On this one, the bottle opener part is removed and you just get this slotted screwdriver and a pry type tool there, and you get a blade as well. It's all right. Came really sharp out of the box. A blade, dead useful. Glaringly missing from this one, but thus making this one more carryable in different settings where blades are really not allowed. Yeah, nearly forgot as well, behind the little screwdriver there, the slotted screwdriver, there's this tiny little SIM pin ejection tool. A really slim, proddy, pokey bit of metal. SIM card ejector, use it for resetting electronics and stuff like that. Yeah, potentially dead handy. Just tucked away behind the slotted driver there. That's missing from the Sailor Lite as well. Same size that way. Sailor Lite is thinner that way. So thinner, lighter, a bit more pocketable than this one. I said I wanted the smallest available sort of keychain pliers. Previously, that was the absolutely fantastic Leatherman Squirt. I've got the P4 there and a PS4 there, and these are just absolutely brilliant. But they don't make these anymore, and they are known and prone to break. if dropped. So I think that's why they stopped making them, because they were having to honour their warranties far too much on these little buggers. But these were fantastic. Smaller, just weigh them again. Sailor Lite 68 grams. PS4 is 57 grams, let's call it. Leatherman is smaller, lighter, more pocketable. Really beautifully made, excellent, a wonderful little set of small pliers, the same sort of thing, perfect for the type of small fasteners that I specifically wanted a tool like this for. And comes with a really nice little urban tool set as well, a small slotted screwdriver there with a bottle opener, a kind of 2D Phillips driver there, works fine, little sturdy blade there, chisel grind unfortunately, but yeah, there you go. And then this one came with a file as well. Double-sided file with different textures and a little kind of metal saw there as well. And a pair of little scissors. These weren't ever particularly great, but they work in a pinch. Yeah, so I absolutely love the PS4 in particular. This one was fine as well. Carried this one for many years. As you can see, it's dead battered. But yeah, they've stopped making those, so you can't get them. The Gerber dime, as I said before, I think is absolute garbage. So yeah, the Nextool was about the next best thing. Currently still available. I paid about 23 quid, I think, for this one on Amazon UK. I bought this one a couple of years ago. It was about 12 quid from AliExpress. I couldn't be bothered to wait, so I just bought this from Amazon. It does seem to be much more expensive than it was a couple of years ago, but these guys are churning out some really decent little tools, I think. Now, what do you reckon to that one? Relatively small, handy keychain set of pliers, no knife blade. So is it a bit of a novelty, do you think, for you, or would you consider carrying it? Oh, any of you got the standard Nextool Sailor? And I know they have brought out the new Pro version with better steel, blade steel in there. I think that's a bit more expensive again. This one's been fine. I haven't carried it particularly much, but this one I have carried a bit more because it's a bit slimmer and lighter. Ideally, I'd just like a really tiny pair of folding pliers just on their own. That would be great, something I could just clip to my keys to accompany me when I go to work. But yeah, just wanted to have a quick look at that. And apologies for the lack of video output recently. I've just been working loads, my real job, not this. And we've just got a new dog as well, so that's been taking up a ton of my time. But thanks for having a watch, and yeah, let me know your thoughts on these versus these and the Gerber dime. Anyone had more luck with the Gerber dime? I just thought that was absolute garbage. Otherwise, I would be having one of them because they're a bit smaller again than these. But yeah, the two I had just popped apart with a gentle squeeze of the pliers. Absolute rubbish. Hope you're having a good weekend, and I'll try and post another video much sooner. Adios amigos and amigas. Hasta luego.